Indian police arrested Ranganathan, owner of Sresan Pharmaceuticals, which made the cough syrup Coldrif linked to the deaths of 22 children under 5 in Madhya Pradesh's Chhindwara district. Tests revealed the syrup contained Diethylene Glycol, DEG, and Ethylene Glycol, EG, industrial chemicals beyond safe limits. The syrup has already been banned in several parts of India. The World Health Organization, WHO, is now seeking details from Indian authorities on whether the syrup was exported. Based on the findings, WHO may issue a global medical products alert for substandard or contaminated medicines.